Good evening, friends. Today I will going to discuss once again with the Williams Fractal and Alligator strategy. So those who are not able to capture means not able to still they are having any doubt. So they can watch this video. This video will have a detailed discussion. Also, I will going to show the today's trade also how we have taken the trade. So what are all the trades we have taken and why we have taken and how our fractal strategy is supported. So where we have entered and where we have exited. That all details I will going to discuss one by one. So don't skip this video and continue watch continuously. So I will discuss totally this video in English only. So those who require any other clarification in other language, Tamil or something, you can ping me. So we will discuss once again. So don't skip this video and we will go to the slide. These are all the indicators actually. Earlier we also discussed it. What are the indicators we are going to use it? We are going to use it Williams Fractal. That you can how we are going to add it. That also we have discussed it. And top fractal is whenever it is top fractal is creating that is we call it as a resistance, and bottom fractal wherever it is creating that we will consider as a support. So these are all the conditions, and Williams fractal what the default indicator only we're going to use it 2 by 2 only we're going to use it, and the time frame we're going to use it only 5-minute time frame only we're going to use it. Don't go with 1 minute also, and don't go in higher also. Strict with only 5-minute time frame. And the Williams Alligator also we're going to use it. The Williams Alligator is having the lips, teeth and jaw. The 3 lines will be there. The first line lip is the 8 period moving average along with the offset of 3 period. And this also we're going to use the same the default setting only we're going to use. We're not going to change anything. And teeth, there is a red line. Red line is a 13 period moving average. It automatically it will create. The offset will be 5. And again jaw is the 21 period moving average. This whatever colors I have given, the same color will be in displayed in the chart also, because lip will be in the green color, teeth will be in the red color, and the jaw will be in the blue color. And again we are going to use 2 moving average. One is 5 EMA and another is 15 EMA. The 5 EMA normally we consider for the selling purpose, and 15 EMA we will consider for the buying purpose. But that how we will going to take it, that also I will explain in the detail. And one more indicator we are going to use it, parabolic SAR, means parabolic support and resistance. So that also we can how we are going to use it, that also we will discuss it. And one more indicator we are going to do is zigzag indicator, that is 5 and 10, 5 by 10. That also 5 by 10 zigzag indicator. So that is also we will use for the find out the trend. These are all the 6 indicators we are going to use it. And now so these are all the conditions, means how we are going to entry steps, how we are going to do it. Mark the previous day immediate fractal high and low. So I'm just giving the steps now. You note down the steps. You may not be, some people may not be able to understand by whatever I'm saying. Based on that you may not be able to understand it. But when we are marking in the chart, then automatically you're going to understand. So mark the previous day immediate fractal high and immediate fractal low, means before previous day, means before 3:15 or 3:30. So that whatever candle it has made previous day, the immediate fractal previous day also we'll have to see in the fractal in the 5-minute candle only. The 5-minute candle immediate, what is the top fractal made, what is the bottom fractal made, based on that we'll have to make the 2 lines. Then check the first 5-minute candle formation. So today for first 5 minute candle formation, whether it is in the top crossing the top fractal or breaking the bottom fractal, that we'll have to check. Also check the alligator formation. Alligator formation, how it is forming, whether it is in the downtrend or in the uptrend, that also we'll have to check. The same way we'll have to check the PSAR formation also, means parabolic star formation also. Parabolic star formation in the bottom it is forming, or in the top it is forming. If it is bottom forming, this may be we may go for the P side, and top it is forming, we may go for the C side. So then again check the zigzag formation, whether it is higher high or lower low pattern, and what is the direction, that also we can see in the based on the zigzag indicator. And check the 5 EMA and 15 EMA formation, whether it is crossing or upward crossing or downward crossing, that also we can see. Okay, so next, so entry condition and SL. So normally I am suggesting this in method for only for the selling. The buying, those who want to do it, they can go with a small quantity, because buying the sudden reversal will be there, then premium erosion will be there. We cannot able to keep the trade for the longer period. Means buying means we'll have to entry and exit, we'll have to do the scalping only. So if it is selling means we can keep the trade for the 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or to 1 or 2 hours also we can keep the trade. For if you are doing buying, we cannot able to keep the trade for 1 or 2 hours. So that we'll have to do as a scalping only. Just whenever we are entering, within 5 minutes or 10 minutes we'll have to come out when we are doing the buying. So if it is selling, then we can keep the trade for the longer period based on our direction of the movement, direction of the indicator, and all we can keep the trade. That how we are going to keep the trade today we will discuss in the trade detail also. So C side sell. So these are all the conditions. Downtrend, PSAR formation should be downtrend, and the zigzag also downtrend should be there. Alligator formation also should be in the downtrend, and the awakening the indication of down move above the candle, means the candle, the alligator should be in the above the candle, so that this is the so that we can check, we can go for the C side sell. And fractal also, fractal top also we should form, and the bottom fractal, when its top fractal is forming, then below the fractal candle bottom we can enter for the C side. Or if it is a bottom fractal formed, if it is crossing bottom fractal, then we can keep it as a resistance for the bottom fractal. That fractal itself we can enter here. And 5 EMA and 15 EMA also, candle should be below the 5 EMA, and same way panel should be below the 15 EMA. For the P side sell, the same thing should be reversed. Should all the conditions should be in reverse mode. Means PSAR should be up mode, uptrend side, and zigzag also should be in uptrend side. Alligator also should be awakening, indicating up move. So below the candle should be there. At least candle should close above the alligator lip. So then only we can able to enter. The same way fractal also, when it is fractal bottom formation, then that wherever it is formed the candle, and candle should overlap the next candle, then only we can go for the P side. Or if it is a top formation, then that also, that should be that top formation means that P side, see this spot should cross in the top formation. Once it is crossing the top formation, then clearly we can go for the P side. And the same way 5 EMA also, 15 EMA also. 5 EMA candle should be above the 5 EMA, and same way 15 EMA also, it's above the means 15 EMA. So next, so how we are putting the stop loss. So that we already discussed. Mark the previous day nearest or immediate fractal high low. Entry, put the stop loss, sell SL means stop loss sell or buy order, C or P side based on the PSAR and alligator direction, and fractal indication and price action. So based on the price action, we can put the, we can based on that we can there is no need to wait. We can put the stop loss order also, stop loss sell order also. We can put it based on our indication, and based on that, automatically when it is crossing that level, that time automatically trade will execute. And the same way exit also. Put the stop loss on fractal top, immediate next candle top. Means once we are entering a fractal top, we'll have to put as a stop loss, or immediate next candle we'll have to put as a stop loss. Or else if it is the candle is very high, then for Nifty we'll have to keep around 20 point as a stop loss, and Bank Nifty we'll have to keep 40 to 50 point as a stop loss. We'll have to keep it. And the same way TSL exit. Once it is moving towards our direction, then candle by candle we'll have to do the trailing. And once it is crossing more than 20 points, we'll have to ensure to book the profit, so that at least 1:1 we'll have to 1:1 we'll have to ensure that, because 20 point we are keeping the stop loss, at least we'll have to keep that as a profit. The same way again entering, means if it is TSL is hitting, then again we can enter based on the price action, based on the movement of this thing, we can enter. The same important is if the direction is not clear, don't enter. Direction is not clear, we'll have to just watch the things. We should not enter anything. Don't take both side position like straddle and triangle. Means either one side only you have to take it. If you are taking both side now, then we cannot be able to concentrate both side. We will have to then we either this side or that side. Then we will be in confusion. We cannot be able to manage the trade, because we either in the stop loss or nor in the TSL we cannot be able to manage the trade. That is why you just take only one side based on the direction. Don't go for the both side. So this is the thing. And the strike selection, how we will go to do it, that also we can earlier we discussed it. And the buying side, if you are buying, then ITM1 or ATM. If it is selling, OTM1 or ATM, both we can go for that. And I am suggesting once again, this is for selling only. It will give a good this thing, good result. Select weekly contract for the intraday. This strategy is suggested for selling. Buying may test with a small quantity. Those who want to do it, they can test with a small quantity. For margin benefit, buy 500 point away OTM strike for Nifty, and 1000 points away OTM for Bank Nifty. Then margin benefit they can take it. If they don't want to do the margin benefit, straight away they can go with the small quantity. If they want to take the more quantity, they can put the margin benefit. They can buy the one more like also the OTM out of the money strike OTM also they can buy it, so that they can get the more quantity. They can buy more quantity. And sometimes it is getting reverse. It's not going to this out of the money buy we are taking, that is only for the margin benefit. Not this will not going to save any your trade, because anyway we are putting the stop loss. So this is for only margin benefit only. We are taking additional the buying. So now this is the trade. Now we are once again I will explain that this also means chart also. Now this PPT itself you can see here. So here, so this is the thing actually today. The first candle it is a gap up it has formed, and second candle if you see, it is price action is going down, but our PSAR is also going down, but whereas our alligator all other things that is not crossing. But the first this one fractal is previous day fractal is around here. This area is the first previous day fractal. When it is crossing, that time we can put the order, means around this area C side. If you see now 130, it's a 130 we can put the stop loss selling order, so that automatically it will get triggered. Once it is getting triggered, this candle top will have to keep as a stop loss, means stop loss. Then it has formed, means candle has moved in our direction. And again if you see here the fractal has made bottom. If you see here, bottom fractal has been already made. So whenever the fractal is if you are seeing the fractal, then immediately we'll have to put at least we'll have to exit with the previous candle high, or we can exit with this candle means the fractal candle top also we can able to exit. Here the first trade we have trialed and we booked around 20 point in the first trade C side. We entered around 925 9:25 candle we entered and 9:50 candle we exited. So around 25 minutes we kept the trade.